Do you remember the video we made about communism? Well, today we will talk about building bridges, not walls, by exploring communitarianism. This time, it's not just about sharing your apartment. Welcome to the Political Doctrine series. Ever feel like society has become a bit individualistic? Everyone focused on their own goals and forgetting about the bigger picture? Well, you're not alone. That's where communitarianism comes in. Buckle up, because we're about to delve into an ideology that emphasizes strong communities and shared responsibility. Communitarianism could have the motto, "We're all in this together," but not exactly like communism. At its core, communitarianism emphasizes the importance of strong communities and shared values. It argues that individuals don't exist in a vacuum. We're all part of something bigger than ourselves, and our well-being is intertwined with the well-being of those around us. You must think about strong communities, not rugged individualism. Here are some key principles of communitarianism. Shared values and traditions. Communities thrive when people share a common set of values and traditions that bind them together. Social responsibility. Individuals have a responsibility to contribute to the well-being of their communities and to uphold shared values. Strong social institutions. Families, schools, religious organizations, and other institutions play a vital role in fostering a sense of community and shared responsibility. Let's go through a truly short history of togetherness. From Aristotle to modern times, the concept of community has been a theme throughout history. Philosophers like Aristotle emphasized the importance of strong communities for human flourishing. In the 20th century, communitarianism emerged as a distinct philosophical and political movement, offering a critique of what some saw as excessive individualism in modern society. So, communitarianism is not about sharing your apartment, definitely not like communism. Here's where it gets interesting. Communitarianism is often confused with communism. However, there are key differences. Ownership. Communism advocates for the abolition of private property, while communitarianism focuses on shared values and social responsibility, not necessarily shared ownership of everything. Government. Communism generally favors a strong, centralized government to manage the economy and enforce social equality. Communitarianism can coexist with various forms of government as long as they support strong social institutions. Focus. Communism aims to create a classless, egalitarian society. Communitarianism focuses on fostering strong communities and shared responsibility, not necessarily complete economic equality. What is the future of communitarianism? Is there a path to a more connected society? In a world increasingly focused on individual achievement, communitarianism offers a compelling argument for the importance of strong communities and social bonds. It can provide a framework for addressing issues like social isolation, inequality, and the decline of civic engagement. The takeaway? Communitarianism is more than just kumbaya singing and sharing beer at picnics. Communitarianism is a philosophy that emphasizes the importance of strong communities and shared values. While it may sound similar to communism, it focuses on social responsibility and strong institutions, not shared ownership of property. If you're looking for an ideology that values both individual freedom and the importance of community, then communitarianism might be worth exploring. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been more interesting than watching paint dry. Please subscribe, like, and comment. It might not mean a lot to you, but it means the world to us.